Hi, this is Jeff Atkinson, Pneumatic Specialist for KOGANEI Advanced Technologies, bringing you another Pneumatic Product Moment featuring KOGANEI's PAU Pulsed Air Unit. Compressed air averages about 30% of a plant's overall power usage. About half of that is blown or uncontrolled air. By using pulsed air, you can reduce that consumption and CO2 greenhouse emissions by nearly 50%. So a large manufacturing facility with a high air usage could realize an annual savings of 6 figures. Pulsed air generates more agitation than a continual air stream, making it more effective at striking the work, removing swarf and debris, cleaning, cooling, and drying parts. It's ideal but not limited to packaging, bottling, injection molding, and electronic manufacturing facilities. This inline unit can quickly and easily be retrofitted into any existing system because there's no electricity or external control required. And the pulse frequency can easily be adjusted using the trimmer pod. That's KOGANEI's PAU Pulsed Air Unit. For more information about this product or any of the other cool and unique products from KOGANEI, please reach out to your technology consultant from KOGANEI Advanced Technologies.